In the second case, for the mathematical problems in the engineering article, we focused on a similar topic, but with some important variations. First of all, the boundary configuration. We moved from the simple support setup to the cantilever configuration, where also in this case, we wanted to break our specimen before testing and monitor, track, quantify, and assess the residual capacity under repeated vibrations and repeated bending responses. The reason is that for sure, for the crack in tension compared to the crack in compression, we can expect a totally different performance, so a totally different residual capacity. But also, under repeated vibrations, we can expect a progressive degradation of the residual capacity itself. And so the Abaqus software was very important for us to track and quantify some critical, some key parameters of this kind of response.